to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to do a standing split. Now before I get to the video, remember subscribe and like and share my channel. And now, so the first step is that we have to breathe. Inhale and then exhale. After relaxing, you start by a lunge. Now, to do the lunge, you must go into a standing position. You put that leg bent and the other one straight like this. After that, we go down into our elbows and stretch it more out. Just like that. And guys, if you don't know how to do a middle split, check out my previous video. I have made a video how to do a middle split if you don't know how to do a middle split. Just like that, after doing a lunge, you straighten one leg and then you go down like this. Let's repeat those stretches on the other leg. Bend one of your knees and go down like this. Go at least 5 times. Then you go into just a bit of splits to make the other leg stretch and try to stretch out even more by twisting yourself like that. Then you go into the same position again. After doing all those split turns, then you breathe again. After breathing, you must do this. Okay, so how to do this one? You straighten one leg and then you go into the same one. You first go down and then right, down and then right. Do this 30 times. Now, after doing all of that, so those were all the stretches. Now I'm going to show you how to go into the position. So to go into position, you must start by bending your knee like this. It's called a yoga pose. You go straight like this. No, I'm going to start this one. So you start by bending one leg, then you do the other one like this, then you try to get it even closer like that. Just like this. All of this is in your hip. So get your hip flexible. Now, go straight. Remember to put the power down. You hold down. You go straight. Just like that. Now, remember, do not move. Don't move like me. You go straight. Alright, okay, so when the people move, they are jumping. So if you jump, that means that it is like not a curve split. When you go straight, and how to do a leg pull. Now, put your foot on the power and hold it down. After that, get your feet, hold it up, and then straighten this one, and then do this. Alright, let's try that again. Now, to do this trick, you must stretch out your legs. Do this 5 times on each foot. After that, you go into the same position again. You go down, hold it up, just like this. Now, first of all, you need to learn how to do a leg hold. Now, to do a leg hold, you must start by straight, then hold it down, just like that. After that, the position, like if you turn, it's a needle. When you're straight, it's a standing split. You go again straight, bend this leg. Now, hold the leg straightly, then bend, and then hands through, just like that. Now, if you want to do it on each side, if you don't know how to do a middle split, I made a middle split video on my channel, so go please check that out and learn a middle split, and after that you can know how to do a standing split. Now, if you are up, it looks like just like a hole, but when you're upside down, it's actually a middle split. Now, last time I'm going to repeat it, and then after that go practice all these stretches at your home. So guys, that's the end of my video. Remember, subscribe, smash the like button right now, turn the notification bell, and I'm going to see you next video, guys. Bye bye!